In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All-Party Hurriyat Conference has called upon the United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres to summon an emergency meeting of Security Council on Kashmir, wherein India be strictly asked to stop genocide of the Kashmiri people and pave the way for the settlement of the Kashmir dispute as per United Nations resolutions. The APHC spokesman, in a statement issued in Srinagar, urged Antonio Guterres to send a loud and clear message to the Modi-led fascist Indian regime that the international community would no more tolerate blatant violations of human rights by its troops in the disputed territory. The chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Political Movement, Khwaja Firdaus, and human rights activist Muhammad Hassan Onto, in their statement said the killing of civilians in Haidarpora FAC encounter has proved that terrorist Indian army is massacring innocent Kashmiris with impunity. Onto demanded the return of the bodies of all Kashmiri people killed by Indian occupation forces in custody and FAC encounters since March 2020. He said Indian forces have killed 7,955 Kashmiris in custody since 1989, and although the inquiries into many cases were ordered, but none of the culprits so far have been taken to task. India's infamous National Investigation Agency raided several locations, including the residence and office of human rights activist Khurram Parvez in Srinagar. The sleuths of NIA, assisted by the Indian police and paramilitary personnel, carried out searches in Sonwa and Amira Kadil in Srinagar and other places in the territory. In the ongoing termination drive against local employees, the Indian authorities have sacked 4 more teachers from their services in the Kashmir Valley. All-Party Hurriyat Conference AJK chapter held an anti-India protest demonstration outside National Press Club Islamabad today against the brutalities of Indian troops in occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Meanwhile, an Indian army camp came under a grenade attack in Pathankot's Dhirapal area, Punjab. High alert was sounded in Pathankot area after the attack. In a significant development, Indian media have confirmed that Prime Minister Narendra Modi was forced to repeal 3 controversial farm laws after seeing tens and thousands of Sikhs on streets in India, Europe and the US against the BJP government. The report said that the Sikhs are massively participating in the ongoing Khalistan referendum campaign. In the latest episode of caste-based violence in India, a Dalit labourer, Ashok Saket's hand was chopped off by his upper caste Hindu employer when he demanded his wages in Madhya Pradesh's Rewa district.